Hi and welcome to a new section, a section in which we won't talk too much about React testing, but we will talk about a place in which most of the time the tests will be run, and that is a CI/CD pipeline. So in this section we will talk about CI/CD with GitHub Actions, because most of the time, as I said, tests are run inside a CI/CD pipeline. And in this section, we will see how we can add our project to GitHub. We will configure GitHub Actions, a workflow for our project, a workflow that will automatically run our tests on each commit. And we will see how we can create and integrate pull requests. Very important, this section has some very important requirements. I'm talking about a GitHub account, and you should have also Git configured locally. Git configured with a username, with email, with a password, and also in order to take this section, you will need basic knowledge about Git operations. So nothing too complex, but the basic Git operations like commit, like push, like pull, like branch, you will have to know them. So if you don't have any experience with these requirements, you can just take a short tutorial online on YouTube or here on Udemy in order to have at least the basics of Git and GitHub. This being said, let's move on into the next lecture and see what exactly is CI/CD.